We're on our way to World Class Barber. This guy's been cutting my hair since I turned pro, and it's just the same thing I do every time. I always go to him, and I like what he does with my hair. He's a nice guy. He always supports my fight. He always put the poster up in his shop, and it's good.
This is Gordon McPhail. I'm at RU Game Conditioning Club in Whitby, and we just finished up Brandon's last 2 pounds of his weight cut. The process was we popped on a sauna suit, popped on a few layers. It's nice out today, so we went for a little run around the block, got the blood pumping a little bit, a couple of quick rounds on the pads, and we finished off with the Airdyne. Now we're just cooling down, wait until we get as much of the sweat out as we can. As soon as he starts to cool down, we're going to pop off the sauna suit and we should be at weight.
Here in Mississauga, we get set for tomorrow night at the Hershey Center, 7 p.m. bell time. A great night of fights presented by United Boxing Promotions. So we'll kick it off right away. We'll start at the top with our main event of the evening for the NABA Super Welterweight Championship. First, he is the former German super middleweight champion, 14-2 as a professional. Introducing David Doria. 154 for Mr. Doria. Opponent tomorrow from Ajax, Ontario, Brandon Bad Boy Cook. He weighs in at an even 150.